Hey guys, what's up? Jai Hind. This is Ananya, your SSC Master Teacher at Vedantu. So, guys, in this video, I'm going to tell you guys guaranteed last minute trick to crack NTSC. Alright? So, guys, before we start with this session, if you people are new, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit the like button. It is absolutely free. Thank you so much in advance. So guys, without any further delay, let's get started. But guys, before I start with this, let me tell you one very important thing. Guys, I'm going to tell you very simple tricks to crack NTSC, but you have to religiously follow those tricks. Alright? So the very first trick is solve and memorize all the previous year questions. Guys, I've been telling you this from a very long time in my previous videos also. I have already made, and not only me guys, all the master teachers have already made many videos on NTSC. Guys, we have been telling you this from a very long time. Please solve and memorize this last year question or the previous year questions. Guys, this is very important because in stage 1, guys, many a times we see that most of the questions are repeated exactly. And guys, if we solve the previous year questions, at least you will come to know what type of questions on which topic mostly the questions are asked in stage 1. Are you understanding? So it is very important that you should solve and memorize the previous year questions. Are you understanding? Like, one more thing I would like to add on this, like if I give an example, like there is an example, Tropic of Cancer does not passes through which state? 4 options are given to you: Manipur, Mizoram, Rajasthan and Tripura. Guys, we know that it does not passes from Manipur. Alright. Now guys, try to understand. Don't just focus on Manipur. Try to have more understanding, more information on the options which are given to you. Like Manipur, Mizoram, Rajasthan, Tripura. Try to gain more information on these regions also, like the capital of these states. They try to know more about these regions, because sometimes what happens, they may ask you question on Rajasthan, they may ask you question on Mizoram. Are you understanding? So carefully read the question, have a look on each and every option and try to have an understanding on all the options. Try to get more information on the regions which are given to you in the options. Alright. The second trick is make a 1-page summary of entire SST. Means what I'm trying to say. Take a sheet of paper, make a note of all those things in which you find it difficult to memorize. Like for example, sometimes we in history it is very common to like it becomes very challenging to remember all the dates, their years with their events. Alright. So take a sheet of paper, make a note of each and everything in which you guys find it difficult, and keep on revising that on a continuous basis, on a daily basis. Are you understanding? Alright. Now guys, I have already made a video on the tricks to remember the dates in history. Link is there in the description box. Guys, I seriously want you guys to watch that video. Hardly it is of 2 to 3 minutes. Guys, that will help you to understand what tricks you can apply to remember the dates in history if you are finding it difficult. Alright. The next one. Revise the content prepared in the above 2 steps 2 times a day. Which 2 steps? These 2 steps. Solve and memorize the previous year questions and make a 1-page summary of entire SST. Alright. Guys, it should not take more than 30 minutes. This is what you guys are supposed to remember. And the last one is solve the full length paper exactly at the time of the deciding day. So the way the question paper comes in your NTSE examination, try to solve the full length paper exactly on the same day. Guys, let me tell you, the steps are very simple, and if you religiously follow these steps, let me tell you guys, no one can stop you to crack NTSC. It is going to be way too simple for you. Alright. I hope guys these tricks were helpful for you and you guys will follow these. Right. Now, if you want any help from Vedantu, all right, obviously guys, the tricks which I'm giving to you, this is given by us obviously, but if you need more help, if you want explanation of the concepts on the questions which comes in stage 1, then you can take our pro subscription. Guys, we also prepare students for NTSC, for foundation, and for many other courses. So guys, here Vedantu, may we have live NTSC courses in which we take mathematics, physics, chem, bio, math, SST, and guys, every session is going to be a live session. So 60 plus hours of live classes on entire syllabus, stage 1 and stage 2 by all the NTSC experts. All right, 50 plus chapter wise and 14 plus mock test will be taken. All the classes which will be taught live, you will be getting the recordings as well. So you can watch the recordings n number of times whenever you want. Whatever doubts, you can ask doubts during the class and after the class also. Yes, so there are many advantages, guys. So how you can enroll to our NTSC subscription, link is there in the description box. This is my coupon code ADPRO and get flat 10% off on all our plans. All right, guys, these are the batches which soon it is going to start. Take the screenshot and be a part of Vedantu's NTSC foundation and pro subscription, guys. Guys, quickly I will guide you. Dekho, this is one of my video on YouTube. All right, just go to show more, and accordingly, if you are planning for NTSC, click on NTSC. Well, there is some issue, I guess, but accordingly, guys, you can take. All right, like, yeah, guys, entire course is for just 2,700. All right, guys, what is the difference between classic and light? In classic, you will get a doubts app, means after the class you can ask unlimited questions. This is the difference between light and classic. Okay, guys, my coupon code is already applied. Acha, how you can watch the replays? Guys, once you take our pro subscription, you will come across such kind of dashboard. You just have to go to the past sessions, and accordingly you can watch the replays and you can download the notes. All right, so I hope, guys, these tricks will definitely help you and you guys will follow these tricks, guys, because it is not only about listening to these tricks, it is about how you implement this. So you have to religiously follow these simple tricks to crack NTSC. Thank you so much, kids. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye, guys. Take care. Jai Hind.